in the sense build that agroforestry,
Uh,
okay, permaculture, and we should think build one seed bank
uh,
because we have to give seed organic, proper organic seed to others farmers who are indigenous seeds to other farmers who are willing to do that in our own community. And we should build eco architecture houses, rainwater harvesting, because rainwater we have to, because you see that rains and all monsoons are very unpredictable now, so we have to catch and preserve that whatever water we have. So rainwater harvesting is very, now is very essential in our all over the world. So we should work on it. I mean, whatever the land we have, we have to think about what the total जो rainwater उसमें it will come to that rain, that we should harvest it, when preserve it and conserve it and use it total all of the year. Okay, for that very basic part. Alongside, we should we use the appropriate technology like renewable energy, biogas, water distribution, water purification, sanitations. We should use the solar cooker, even bathroom and all. We should use that solar heater and all. Second step, we go the solar social entrepreneurship things. That is, we can build a truly international cooperative society. Okay. And we can go, if it is there ponds and all, we can go aquaculture and pond management. Okay. Then we start the dairies, and we should make we should give the milk to the village poor kids freely. Suppose if we have 100 liters, so 10 liter at least we give to the village kids, means do under 7 or 8 or years age freely. Those are not getting that milk and all to buy, and others milk and all we can directly go sell to the customer like Rourkela, Sambalpur and all through the cooperative. Okay, and we can build even some sweets and all very pure, no chemical sugar, no chemical adulteration, everything, anything. We can sell that even the sweets to here in our customers too. So all those dairies we can do, and animal husbandry we can do those things, and beekeeping and all we can do. Food processing unit we can start with the spices and herbs like ayurvedas and all medicines we can produce, and we can do for that village and all, like communities, for some workshop too, why should use and how should we use, and what is the benefit of that. And we can sell that thing in internationally through online and everything. That is a social entrepreneurship perspective, that spices, food processing and all those things. And third steps will come to the arts and crafts. Okay, and we can start bamboo crafts, we can start pottery like terracotta also, we can start our own textile to prepare our own clothes, and natural color and all, no chemical colors and all. Then we can carpentry and blacksmithing, local crafts, all things we can do. And fourth step we can go that biodiversity management for the community. After, if I can if I can establish this thing somewhere and we can get that model successful, then we can bring some other farmers of that community to that our campus, and we can explain that how we are benefited to that whole idea. Now we can help them to grow and build their own biodiversity, this kind of own their model, like however small maybe it may be, but we can help them. We can give the seed, we can give the idea, we can everything, we can give them freely, and we can build that a community, really true actually biodiversity community. And we can start the youth leadership program. Okay, that how, because India having the you can see that already 2023 India will have the, will cross China and will have more actually capable youth in the world, any other country. So we can start what youth leadership program to how to get to connect it to the livelihoods. Means they are bhatak rahe na, is they're going here and there for search and job and all. So let them actually train them, actually let them train to connect it with that livelihood, and get some their own earn and all, they can earn and all. And we can start reimagining learnings, that center for that kids also, that is self-designed learning. Let them explore what they want, how what they love actually, and we can push them towards that educations and all. And we can, fifth step, we can start various of activities like residential program that already I told, the writers and musician, painters, sculptor, dancer, and we can start our courses. And time alongside we can start village heart, like that market, village local markets we can start, or yearly festival we can start. We can do it Raukela, some festival out our university, what we are doing and all, what we are producing and all. So let them come and get that available to that what we are producing here actually, from the honey to crops to everything actually, from our clothes to everything. So that is altogether a ecovacity will grow after that all steps will be complete actually. Then according situation we can add what the courses we can add, what the things we can go through according discussions and all, we can alter, we can change, we can continue. That is actually nothing more.
So this is totally in a one sentence. What is your one sentence for this whole project? If you to summarize it in one sentence or two sentence,
A self-sustained village of knowledge.
and that knowledge must be practical. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
practical knowledge.
Good. Very good. Oh, acha. So it is a
Ecovacity.
ecoversity is equal to a university based on.
Ecologically focused can actually based on ecology, because eco means you can understand the ecology whole, because we are thinking all, no, we are
Hmm.
having animal husbandry, we are having farming, we are living with that all ecosystem ecologically viable things we are taking, we are considering even uh, all solar things and all. Till solar is not exactly the green thing and all, but till we need to minimize the energy resources and all. Okay. And so it is kind of, that's what is telling the ecovacity actually, because we are focusing on ecology, the